I signed up for the Richer Everyday program because as an entrepreneur, as I get more money, I could not find the right kind of information that I needed for investing and truly growing my wealth. So already in this program, it has been well worth my investment, and I'm seeing that just one piece of information and one contact shared here could make all the difference in the world for me. One example so far is Mike's section on asset protection. There is so much valuable information so that as I'm building my assets and my wealth, that I don't have to be worried about losing it and that I could lose it in some freak accident. So it's so valuable. I am really looking forward to going through the rest of it. And I absolutely love Mike's style. He's very clear, he's very concise, and it's just packed with valuable information. So I highly recommend this program.